Hey everyone, today I want to give you some tips for how to keep your beard good in the summer. Let's go. Hey everyone, it's me Jamie Cox, owner and founder of OP's Beard Co. Today I want to give you some tips on how you can keep your beard nice in the summertime. So the biggest tip that I've got for you, tip number one, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. You will be sweating loads and loads, sometimes without even knowing it in the summer. And all that dehydration is not good for your skin. It means your skin cannot produce the oils in which keep your beard nourished, and that's bad. You do not want that. You want to keep well hydrated. It's not only good for your body in the summertime, but it's great for your beard. Number two, obviously, try and keep out of the sun. UV rays can really damage beard hair. It can make them dry, it can make them brittle. It's not good for your beard hair. We don't recommend putting sun cream or sun lotion or any of that stuff on your beard. Just try and stay out of the sun as much as possible. A big mistake that a lot of guys make in the summertime is they actually dampen their beard, thinking that it's going to help because the sun won't be able to break down the water in their beard. It's actually the opposite. Going from a wet, dry beard all day long can actually damage your hair and cause breakages, so please don't do that. Using beard products in the summertime. Using beard products in the summertime is no different than using them the rest of the year round. The only difference is that the sun will break down any product that you put in your beard. If it's mostly natural based, the sun will break it down. I mean, think about it. You've got sun cream, sun lotion. You have to apply that sometimes 2-3 times a day in the sun. So how is your beard oil going to stand a chance when it's not designed to deal with the sun? Yes, beard oil can work. However, if you put a beard oil on in the morning and go and stand in the sun all day long, the sun will absolutely destroy that oil. This goes for every brand. If they tell you that their product will last in your beard all day long standing in the sun, they're lying to you. It's not true. Nothing can beat the harsh sun. Again, pretty much everything else to look after your beard is what I always tell you on pretty much 90% of my videos. Eat healthy, make sure you're drinking plenty of this, exercise, and generally just do right by yourself. De-stress if you can, helps your beard massively, but as I've said twice before and now for a third time, water is the best thing for your beard in the summertime. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. If you have, please give us a like and subscribe and catch us again for our next video. But why not check out some of our other videos actually? If you've got the time, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching everybody. You take care. Bye bye.